Hi everyone, welcome to episode 8. My name is Abayomi Abioye, and today I'll be teaching you on 5 best practices on how to name your table, your columns, and your values in Excel. Right, so let's get into it. Very important that I say this, that there is no fixed rule when it comes to naming conventions for tables, columns, and values in Excel. These are the 5 best practices for naming your tables, columns, and values. Number one of the best practices is to name your table, column, and measures using business terms, right? And also replace your underscore with a space. Number 2, be consistent with your abbreviations, prefaces, use words like number, ID, right? Now, excessively short abbreviations, right, can create confusion, right? Particularly if it's not commonly used in your organization. All right. Number 3, you can avoid confusion by removing prefixes and suffixes that you might use in your table, right? And instead name them in simple format, right? Number 4, when replacing values, it's very important that you visualize or imagine how the values will appear in your visuals, right? Now, values that are too long, right, would be difficult to read, right, and also might not fit into your visuals. Now, values that are too short might be difficult to interpret, right? So it's very important that you find that balance. Number 5, which is the last best practice, right? Avoiding acronyms is also a very good idea, right? Particularly if the text fits into the visual. Yes, so we've looked at the 5 best practices on how to name your tables, your columns, and your values, right? So I'll see you all in the next class. All right.